Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3. Work is important. Let's listen. Gautam's mother telephoned from her office and said she would be home late. She asked Gautam to empty the trash bin and wash up a few things. That's not my work. Where's the maid? Gautam asked. Why did Gautam feel that he should not do these tasks? After all, if his mother had been home, would she not do them? So, let's listen before we start the chapter. What is given? The character Gautam. His mother, she is calling from her office that she might get late today to come home. So, what did she ask Gautam? She asked Gautam to clear or empty the trash bin or the dust bin and wash up some things. She gave Gautam some work. But Gautam, what did he do? He told simply, this is not my work. I am not going to do this. Where is the maid? And Gautam asked that. But why should he feel like that? He should be doing the task, because if his mother would have been home, she would also have done that work. Different people do different kinds of work. All work is important. All work has value. All work is worth doing well. Let us read this story to understand the importance of work. So, from this story, we are going to learn that no work, may it be so small or very big, no work is less or more. All work should be considered equal and important. Now let us read that through the story. Let's read. The value of work and money. Harvinder was a rich and hard-working farmer. He had one big worry in his life. His son, Kuldeep. So, who is the character? Who are the two characters over here? One is Harvinder, who is rich and hard-working farmer. And the other is his son. What is his name? Kuldeep. Kuldeep did not do any work on the farm. So, Harvinder, he had only one big worry in his life. What was that? Because of his son. What was the problem? His son did not do any work on the farm. He felt that the farm work was dirty and beneath his dignity. Beneath means under or below. His dignity means self-respect. So what did he think? Kuldeep को लगा that ये जो farm work है, that is very low and he will not do because that is against his self-respect. Because he is a rich man's son. He thought that मैं तो एक अमीर पापा का लड़का हूँ, तो मैं क्यों ऐसा छोटा काम करूँगा? He treated the farm workers badly. One day he threw away a small gift a shepherd boy had given him. This made his father angry. So one day what happened? Kuldeep, one shepherd boy had given Kuldeep a small gift. But because it was a small gift, what did Kuldeep do? He threw away the small gift. And because of this reason, Harvinder, that is Kuldeep's father, he became angry. Harvinder decided to teach Kuldeep a lesson. He said to Kuldeep, from now on, you must earn your own meal. Go and work to earn 10 rupees if you want your next meal. So, what condition did Harvinder keep? He wanted to teach a lesson to his son. So, he told Kuldeep that from now onwards, he must earn his own meal. Now, he has to go and work, and if only he earns 10 rupees, then only he will get his next meal to eat. Kuldeep did not know what to do. As he wandered means looked around. Down the road, he met his grandmother. She gave him 10 rupee note and said Here, buy yourself something. So what happened? Now, there was Kuldeep's grandmother. As Kuldeep was walking, he found his grandmother and he asked his grandmother to give 10 rupee note. So she gave and then she asked Kuldeep to buy something from that 10 rupees. The boy ran home with the money. When he told his father how he got it, his father said, "Give it to me. This was not earned." The boy was puzzled. So, उसके पापा को पता चल गया that this money that he had got was not earned. So, boy was puzzled. Kuldeep was confused. Kuldeep set out again. This time, he met a friend. Here, the friend said, giving him a 5 rupee coin. "Here is the money I borrowed from you last week." So now, next time, again he goes out to earn 10 rupees. So next time what happens? Next time he sees and meets a friend and his friend gives him 5 rupee coin. Why he gives? Because last week his friend had borrowed 5 rupees from him. So he gave back 5 rupee coin. Kuldeep ran home with it. But this time too, Harvinder said, "Give me the money. It was not earned." Once again, Harvinder set him out to earn his next meal. So again Harvinder caught him. He told that this money is not earned. So again Harvinder had sent him out to earn his next meal. This time an old woman stopped him near the market. "Child, can you carry my bags up to my house?" she asked. The woman thanked him. Bags up to my house? She asked. "They are too heavy for me." Kuldeep agreed and carried them home for her. The woman thanked him and gave him some money. So now this time what happened? There was an old woman who stopped near the market and asked Kuldeep to help him carry the bags to her house because they were too heavy for her. So what did Kuldeep do? He agreed and decided to help the woman. Woman thanked him and gave some money to Kuldeep. At the end of the day, the boy showed his father the money. But this time the boy said, "Father, I earned it. It is only a small amount. The old woman gave it to me for carrying her bags." So this time at the end of the day, when Kuldeep went to his father, at that time he said, "Father, now this time I have earned it. I have helped this old woman and she gave me this money for carrying her bags to her home." Harvinder looked at his son silently. Then he smiled and said, "Now go have your dinner. By doing something for which you were paid, you have learned the value of money that is earned. The shepherd bought you a gift with the money he had earned. Nobody gave it to him. It was precious." So, father, he teaches Kuldeep a lesson. What is that? That we are doing something and for that we are getting paid. So, when you have did something and you were getting paid, you knew or you have learned the value of money. So, the shepherd that had given you the gift, very small gift, it was by what money he had earned. So, nobody had given that money to him. He had earned with his hard work. So, it was very precious gift. Kuldeep's eyes filled with tears. "I understand now," he said. "All work is important and money earned is priceless." So now, through this, we learn the lesson that all different kinds of works are important. There is not a single work that is less or that is small. All work is important and money earned, the money that we earn through hard work is priceless, means that cannot match any payment or any price. Okay. Okay, students. So over here, I end the explanation of the chapter. In the next class, I will be sending you the notes of the question and answers. Okay.